Have you ever wanted to start an online business but felt discouraged because you didn't have any money or experience? I've been there, and I want to share my journey of how I started a dropshipping business from scratch without any capital or much prior knowledge at all. And I'll guide you through the entire process and show you how you can achieve similar results. Now, in case you're unfamiliar, dropshipping is a business model where you act as the middleman between the supplier and the customer. You facilitate the sale of products, marking up the price, and keeping a portion of the profit for yourself. What makes dropshipping so appealing is that you don't need to invest in inventory or manage physical stores. You can simply connect buyers with suppliers and then earn a profit from each sale. Here's a simplified example of how dropshipping works. Let's say there's a product listed on Amazon for $30. You can list that same product on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, TikTok Shop, Poshmark, Mercari, and dozens of others, and then add a markup of, let's say, $15. Now, when a customer purchases the product from you for $45, you use their order information and address to order the item from Amazon for $30. Then you keep the $15 difference as your profit minus any small fees associated with selling on the platform. Now, you might be wondering, how can you start a dropshipping business without any money? Well, unlike other business models, dropshipping minimizes your risk because you only spend money after you make the sale and generate the profit. This means you only really have to invest money when you're guaranteed a future profit, and it's ultimately a waiting game to multiply your cost of goods and recoup more money in the future. And if you're already listing on websites where buyers are actively searching for products, then you don't need to spend any money on ads to make sales. You can just spend your sweat equity to list in the beginning and then capitalize on free organic traffic. You can also leverage credit cards for purchasing products without needing upfront cash at all. Now, of course, this approach requires responsibility in managing your finances and ensuring that you set aside a portion of your profits so that you can pay off your credit card balances. But using cashback credit cards can be particularly beneficial since you can earn up to 5% cash back on purchases that you would have made for your business anyway. Personally, in my own business, I use the Amazon store card, the Walmart store card, and the eBay store card quite frequently. All of those offer 5% cash back and are reliable suppliers with millions and millions of products that you can dropship. It's also wise to explore cashback credit cards that offer rewards for purchases made anywhere online that aren't these specific retail stores. That way you aren't limited to a specific store, and you can look for credit cards that provide up to 2% cash back. Over time, the accumulated rewards and cash back can significantly contribute to your business's growth, and they're not considered taxable income. Now, let's address the issue of experience. Starting a dropshipping business doesn't require you to be a tech guru or have extensive industry knowledge. With the abundance of information and software available today, you can easily navigate your way through the process. One software, for example, that I personally use and recommend, especially for beginners, is ZDrop. ZDrop is a powerful tool that simplifies the dropshipping process by copying products from various websites and listing them on multiple marketplaces with just one click. It automatically copies product pictures, titles, descriptions, and even applies price markups for you. And I typically mark my products up around 60%, which has proven to be somewhat of a sweet spot for me profitably. And the best part, especially for beginners, is ZDrop is incredibly affordable. With a monthly subscription fee of only $17, that way you don't have to break the bank to start your e-commerce business, contrary to what you might have believed. By leveraging the capabilities of ZDrop and other resources available online, you can start building a profitable dropshipping business without any prior experience. It will take some consistent listing, and obviously the better and more in demand your products are with less competition, well, the more money you'll make. But there's no reason that you can't be up and running with just the $17 ZDrop fee and making multiple thousands in profit every month really fast. I see people doing it all the time. And of course, you don't need ZDrop either. You could do it manually. ZDrop just helps you pump out more listings incredibly fast. But ultimately, starting a dropshipping business with no money and no experience is absolutely possible. By understanding the fundamentals of dropshipping, leveraging credit cards for purchases, and utilizing user-friendly saving time software like ZDrop, for example, almost anyone can, and it doesn't take money or experience.